For practice 6.2, we're going to be looking at resistance training modalities. And again, we're going to do this a little different because I would like you to do some of the background work and present what you find to the rest of us. So you can do this either on your own or with a partner. We will kind of maybe establish this in class the week before, but one person or one group will look at body weight resistance training. Someone else will look at the use of free weights. We're looking at dumbbells, free weight, barbells, and Olympic lifts. Someone else will look at machines. Sometimes they're called like selector eyes, where you pull the pin out and put in a plate. Those cable crossover types machines, or like the machines where you put on the plates, right? Someone else will look at bands. So we got like those rubber resistance bands and the TRX. Another group will look at bells, like the kettlebells, the sand bells or slam bells. Another one will look at the stability and medicine balls. And if this works out, someone can look at kind of other resistance training tools like vests, ropes or chains, parachutes, different use of tires or logs, and those things like that. So it's like once we select which training system, training modality you and your partner will look at, then I'd like you to create a presentation that will describe what that resistance training modality is. So I'd like you to give an overview, right? Describe what the method is and how it's used for strength training. What are some of the pros and cons of using this? Kind of what are the best applications for it? What are some things that are some downsides to it? When is this best used, right? The applications. Why would we consider using these things? Perhaps at what point in the training season would we do this? Utilization, optimization, and considerations. So maybe what are some key points to use this? Maybe highlight some different form or safety things. How does this help with sport specificity, perhaps? And different examples, like talk us through some pictures, some videos, or even demo some things, perhaps, in class. So really this presentation probably work best in a PowerPoint, but you could do other things as well. But it should be kind of visual, right? It should be something that other students can use as a reference and resource. And it really shouldn't be more than probably 10 minutes in length. And if you do it with a partner, make sure you both have equal contribution to it. So it's not just like one person talking up front, or it's like someone who did all the legwork and someone does all the presentations. So it should be clear that you both worked on it if you choose to work with a partner. Again, if you have any other questions, please feel to bring those up in class or in between classes.